Confused about why one GLP-1 program says $99 a month while another looks closer to $1,000? You're not imagining it. Different providers use very different business models, and that changes what you actually pay. I'm Claire. In the next few minutes, I'll decode those models, point out the common gotchas, and show you a simpler way to compare options so you can choose with confidence. First, the landscape. You'll see 5 common models. 1. Monthly cash programs that bundle medication, often a compounded version, with basic clinical care for a flat fee. 2. Prepaid multi-month plans, where you pay for several months up front to unlock a lower monthly rate. The trade-off is commitment. 3. Membership plus medication separate, where your fee covers access, visits, or coaching, while the medication is billed by a pharmacy or through insurance. 4. Insurance-rooted programs focused on obtaining an FDA-approved medication. You might pay service fees while the drug runs through your benefits. And 5. Compounded medication-only services, which are usually self-pay and lower cost, but come with different safety considerations. Knowing which model you're looking at is the first step to an apples-to-apples comparison. Now, the gotchas. Number 1, a membership fee does not necessarily include medication. Many programs price access, visits, or coaching separately from the drug itself. Always ask, does this price include the medication and at which dose? If the answer is no, get a realistic range for the medication cost or copay. Number 2, prepaid commitments. Those 12-month rates can look amazing, but prepaid usually means locked in. Before you click buy, read the refund and cancellation policy line by line. Hot tip. If you're new to GLP-1s, start month to month until you know how you tolerate the medication and the program's cadence. Number 3, starts at pricing. Medications typically begin at a low dose and titrate up over time. That low teaser price often reflects the starter dose only. As your dose rises, your medication cost might rise too. Also, look for add-ons, initial consults, labs, or cold pack shipping. Your real monthly outlay is the starting month and then what it settles into after the ramp. Number 4, compounded versus FDA-approved medication. Compounded options can be more affordable, and for many people, that's the only practical path. But compounded drugs aren't FDA-approved, and quality control differs from brand medications. If you consider compounding, make sure you're working with a legitimate state-licensed pharmacy through a real prescriber and understand exactly what formulation you're receiving. Number 5, insurance complexity. Some plans cover obesity treatments while others don't, or they require prior authorization and very specific criteria. If you're hoping to use insurance, ask the provider how they help with approvals and what your backup plan is if coverage is denied. If you're paying cash, ask for the all-in first month total and the likely ongoing monthly cost at your expected maintenance dose. Number 6, state rules and format. Telehealth providers must be licensed where you live, and some states add extra steps. Also decide whether you're comfortable with weekly injections or you want to explore oral options. Not every provider offers both, and not every option is available in every state. Let's turn this into a quick checklist. 1. What exactly is included in the price? Medication, visits, labs, shipping, coaching, or just some of those? 2. Is the plan flexible month to month? Or is it a 3, 6, or 12-month commitment with limited refunds? 3. Are you using insurance or paying cash? And do you understand how your dose affects cost over time? 4. What medication type are you comfortable with, approved by the FDA or compounded options? And do you prefer injection or pill? 5. What level of support helps you succeed? Minimal touch points or a fuller program with coaching and follow-ups? Now, if you're thinking, do I really have to piece all of this together from 10 different websites? That's exactly why we built the Find My GLP-1 comparison tool. It's designed for people in your shoes. First, filters. You can filter by medication, format, and your state, so you're only looking at programs that actually serve you. Second, transparent pricing tiles. Each provider shows the first month total and the expected ongoing monthly cost, so the starts at mystery becomes a clear number you can plan around. Third, you'll see at a glance whether a program uses FDA-approved medications, compounded options, or both, along with notes that explain what that means in plain language. Fourth, policy clarity. We do the digging and surface things like commitment terms, cancellation rules, and whether labs or consults are bundled or billed separately. There's no one best provider for everyone. There's your best fit based on your budget, your preferences, and the support you'll actually use. Head to findmyglp1.com and open the comparison tool. It's free, it's simple, and it's built to save you time and money by making the fine print obvious from the start. This video is informational only. Talk with your healthcare professional about what's right for you. You've got this, and we're here to help you choose with confidence.